Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something everyone loves, making money online. In India, the internet has tons of opportunities to earn money from home. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for something new, this video is for you. We'll talk about the top 10 ways to make money online in India. So if you're ready to start earning, let's go. First up is freelancing. Freelancing means offering your skills to clients around the world on your own schedule. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients everywhere. Think about what you're good at: writing, designing logos, or computer programming. People will pay for these skills online. You create a profile, show your past work, and start applying for jobs. If you like making videos or writing, this one's for you. YouTube and blogging are huge in India. They're great for sharing what you know, your creativity, or your daily life. Pick a topic like technology, food, or travel. Make good videos or write good articles regularly and grow your audience. You can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and recommending products. Are you really good at a certain subject? Teach it online. Websites like Vedantu, Byju's, and Unacademy are changing how we learn. Whether it's math, science, English, music, or coding, there's a need for good teachers. Ever told a friend about a cool product and wished you got paid for it? Now you can. You promote products on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. When someone clicks your special link and buys something, you get a commission. Friends, online selling is booming in India. Websites like Amazon Seller, Flipkart Seller, and Shopify let you open your own online store. You can sell anything from handmade crafts and clothes to electronics and books. You control your brand, your prices, and how you treat your customers. This one takes some learning and is a little risky, but it can pay off. Apps like Zerodha, Grow, and Upstocks make it easy to start investing. Learn about the market, understand your options, and start with a small amount. Today, every business needs to be on social media. If you use social media a lot and know how to make interesting posts, this could be a good job for you. You can manage social media for businesses, create posts, and talk to their followers. Want an easy way to make some extra money in your free time? Try online surveys and microtasks. Websites like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and Taluna offer lots of small tasks. The pay for each task is usually low, but it adds up if you do many tasks on different websites. Dropshipping is a popular way to sell online, especially if you don't want to keep track of products or ship them yourself. You create an online store and work with suppliers who ship products directly to your customers. Websites like Shopify and Oberlo make dropshipping easy. You can get paid to give your opinion on websites and apps. Companies want to know what you think about their products. Websites like User Testing, Try My UI, and Enroll connect testers with companies. It's a fun, easy way to make extra money while helping companies make their products better. So there you have it, friends. 10 ways to make money online in India. Pick something you like, spend time learning and getting better, and be patient. The internet has tons of opportunities, and you can turn your passion into profit. Like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more great content. Until next time, keep working hard, keep learning, and keep earning. Save this post and start your journey today. Comment below with your favorite method or any questions. By Money Healthcare.